We need an energy drink sponsor. This episode of We Have No Idea What We're Doing is brought to you by C4. Energy for when you need a little pick-me-up.
Want to chop, 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 chop down, taking down to Chinatown. I want to eat pot sticker, then become ninja.
I think this is going to be the best bloopers yet.
We're all goofy goobers. Yeah. Hey, what do the destructions say? Why don't we look there?
Remove LaSalle.
Yeah. But there's no procedure on how to remove it.
Remove it.
Okay.
Oh, crazy.
Sorry. Thought the headlight was disconnected. It's my fault. Yeah. Can you please grab a set of dikes?
Don't say that. Don't post that.
This zip tie. Cut it. This zip tie.
Cut it.
Cut it. This zip tie.
Why don't you cut it? Are you putting any voice on this whole thing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Like, I need y'all to talk more and have just more
Well, yeah,
general
I didn't know we
conversation.
were like, and now you do this, and then you do that.
No, I don't give a fuck about that. This isn't
Ryan
an
really
install
wants to
video.
tell the people, though.
I don't care. I mean, what are you talking about?
I went to Yellowstone.
Yeah, how was Yellowstone?
Awesome.
Would you recommend it to Jacob or the viewers?
I would recommend it to absolutely anyone. And don't go once, go twice, because you won't see it all. It's super awesome.
Did you see any bears?
Yeah, lots of bears.
Did you see any Tatanka?
You see
I don't know what those are.
You see any mooses?
Buffaloes? Yeah. I went to Bear World, actually, so I saw lots of bears.
And you saw Old Faithful just being a squirter?
Yep, I got it on video. She's being rowdy out there. Jacob, it's too godly for that conversation. Don't say that. Don't post that.
I gotta get hardware. I only go up to 3/8. For the purpose of the video, I have some banjo bolts that I could use, but we'd have to come back off with it. Otherwise, I don't have the correct hardware. We've had some technical difficulties here.
Oh, so far,
There's
I'm
like
gonna crop
no,
out like fucking 30 minutes.
there's
of
like
video.
0 usable footage for what we got going on. I don't even know how the fuck this thing mounts. How does this motherfucker even mount, dude?
I'm sure there's instructions over there.
Nope. Fuck that. He has to figure this out.
Don't say that. Don't post that.
There you go.
It's perfect in every single way.
Ryan's coming out with an album.
Coming soon.
So
Shop
anyway.
Tunes by Ryan the Red.
Yeah, shop tunes.
Coming to a Harley-Davidson dealership near you.
Yeah.
Remember in school when they taught you to color inside the lines?
Mm-hmm.
That doesn't really matter here. Getting a phone call from your ma, Bobby Ma. Wasn't me. Shout out to Nine Finger Fab for making these cool tools. If you haven't checked out Nine Finger, you should. Look at that. It's fancy. This. Boink. And now, in your motor, boom. You don't have to worry about shit falling in there.
Does he really only have 9 fingers?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's kind of like Hunter. He only has 9.5.
Indeed.
Don't say that. Don't post that.
Should we tell him? Is there a mustache bar option?
For these?
Yeah.
No.
So,
Not flat.
So I gotta take this back off because we don't have the highway bar. Because we would need one to install the lower support mounts.
so why the fuck does this not have a mustache bar? Because what if you don't want to run?
This kit is not offered with its only bracket is for highway bar.
That's super fucking gay.
Don't post that.
Why would we do that?
I don't know. I feel like this video has gone to absolute dog shit real fast.
So on this episode of We Have No Idea What We're Doing, we're finding out that we didn't do half the shit that we should have probably done. Like, thought this through. So,
That's my fault. I'll take ownership.
no, it's equal. So we're gonna go find food, and we'll come back later.
You know, Shelly, we could switch it up, and I can give you this mic, and I could hold that camera. Don't post that.
I
You could
just
jump
hand this
in.
camera to Jacob real quick.
Yeah, let's do that. Boop. I don't feel like we should be filming this part.
I feel like we should be filming all of it.
Don't post that.
FXRP Indian Springfield. We don't need that. We don't need that where we're going. I don't have a 14.
All right, 16.
I'm 9/16. Well, fuck it. I'm going home.
Don't say that. Don't post that.
That's why we use a fender cover.
Nailed it.
Yeah, well, with that fender cover, it took my washer.
No, I didn't. It's right here.
Took my washer.
Thanks.
Welcome.
Don't need no stinking drill bit.
If you want him to do something that you can't do, you just tell him, you can't fucking do that. You're not gonna be able to do that, and he will fucking make it happen. Don't say that. Don't post that. Bust knuckles. Do whatever it takes.
Knock motherfuckers
Knock
over.
people over.
There's a garbage can there. It says bad.
People at home probably getting nervous hearing an impact on fiberglass.
For those of you at home, I recommend grabbing a drill bit at least 3/8, maybe one size bigger, and running through all of these holes.
It's a tight fit. Just get the drill bit.
That way, after paint, everything fits and you don't have to drill new paint.
I've almost got this fairing mounted. I'm thinking, I could be wrong
boy.
with my thought here. Well, maybe we just chop the shit we don't need if we're not using it. What's the point of having it? I mean, it's
But
an
if someone
Indian,
wants to
they're
go
still
back, if
Russian.
someone one day is like, I want to take my fairing off for a little bit and go back to factory,
Nope, and they'll put it right back
then
on.
if
That's why we make them sign a
you go.
waiver. You can't take it off.
those are loose. I thought you were ready for the headlights, so I put them in. But like,
Oh, no one's gonna know.
don't post that.
Jeffrey isn't even
Jeopardy,
here,
Jeopardy.
bro. No.
Was that what you were trying to do?
Oh, no.
Oh.
It was like Jaws, but different. It's like do 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 do.
It was like Jaws, but like kid version.
Yeah, it was
like
tempo.
It was like
version of Jaws.
Baby Shark version.
Baby shark do 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 do.
Yeah,
Bro,
you
come
lost
on.
me.
That song is so annoying.
Okay, why? No one said that you had to have it repeat on your playlist for 3 weeks straight.
But it repeats
I
in his
didn't.
head for 3
Other
weeks,
people
right?
did.
Oh, well, you're hanging out with the wrong people, dude. I ain't never played that song once.
But you sing it.
It's because everyone else does.
Exactly. Everyone else was playing.
What about I Want to Be Ninja?
No one's gonna notice that fairing being loose.
That brings back memories.
No, just funny because they straight up like dropped the fan.
Don't post that.
We want to hear your vote. Should we come out with a mustache bar kit option for the Indian Springfield, or do we like the highway bar mount? We want you to tell us.
You know me, I like having options.
Don't say that. Don't post that.
Indeed. Ow. fuck.
There's totally a handlebar right there. You almost fucking forehead like butted that motherfucker.
Dude, I'm not gonna lie. That is why I don't like working on motorcycle lifts at eye level for a reason. Good thing I got these safety glasses.
They're gonna have to drill these out, bro.
No, he can get it. He'll just fucking give it a Hawk 2 and spit on that thing.
Oh God. Don't post that.
Yeah, you see, Jacob.
Keep going, bro.
Shelton.
Sound effects are needed.
Chop, 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 chop.
Any big plans for the weekend?
Choppity, cheep, cheep, chop. Boys, plans for the weekend?
I'm taking that.
That sounds like a solid plan.
You're good using that. You came in late to it.
I did.
It's okay, so did I. chop, chop, chop it up.
Oh my God.
You were young as
You were born in 98?
Yes.
Dude, it's so weird that I'm actually a co-worker with this kid.
You're almost not in the 1900s.
How old are you? When were you born?
He's 1 month
91.
older than
91,
me.
bro.
91.
7 years apart.
That's
mean,
almost
that's
a
it.
whole
That's-
decade, dude.
Can we just all agree, people born in 2000, that's crazy?
Yeah, people born after 1996, it's crazy, you know.
Also, that's
Yeah.
the cutoff.
I think
Hey,
93 starts to
we
seem like-
grew up in the late 1900s.
Hold on, let's pause. What year were you born? You're younger than us.
92.
Oh, okay. I thought you were
In the
younger.
90s.
For fucking a year and a half, you're still shitting your
Year and
pants.
a half. Best year and a half of my life.
I could wipe my own ass in the late 1900s.
Cool. I had someone do it for me. Because I didn't want to do that.
Because I didn't want to.
Yeah.
He was privileged.
I wanted to eat, sleep, and party. So I got to.
Contestants.
Come wipe me.
Honestly,
Julie? Julianne?
Did you really have one? What? Hold on.
Julie?
Don't post that.
Did she really just say, did you have one? Like, did you have a mom?
No, I didn't. I thought it was like a nanny or something he was talking for a second. Like a
Did you
parents
really?
hired one just to wipe
Did you
it.
really have a mom? What was life
How
like
dare you? Jeez.
back in '99 and when that ball was dropping, dude? I was getting totally wasted on chalky milk, dude. How do you eat your Oreos?
How do you eat your Oreos like everyone eats Oreos? I take mine and I put it on a fork, like the fork through the creamy stuff, and then I put it in the milk until it gets soggy, and then you just, and you don't get it all over your hands, and you don't got.
no,
yeah.
See, I've done that before.
It's
See, I got this thing. So you take this mug and you fill it up with milk, and then you have this, yes, and then you have this little contraption thing, and you put your Oreos in it, and you put it down in the milk, and then you just press the button, and it goes, bloop, and it pops a little Oreo
Where'd you get
up
this?
out the milk. I don't know. Jill got it for me.
You know, my birthday's on Monday. I'd totally take one of
But
those.
if you can't tell, I like Oreos.
We can tell.
Look at that. See, he wanted to tighten the fairing. She'll ride. You want to do headlight cover, or do you want to do windshield?
Whatever you don't want to do, I got you.
It's not that I don't want to do it.
I think you're tall enough for this one. So.
Okay.
Oh, no. Yeah, you can do that. Don't put this in the film, but yeah, you got that.
How she actually thought about it. She's like, I don't want to do that fucking trim.
Why don't you want to do that?
I just want to see how good you're at it. Let's see
Oh,
it.
I can do it.
Yeah, let's see it. Don't post that.
Denise said there was?
The news.
Oh, the news.
Dude, I think you need to go get your ears checked.
Bro, I've
Like,
got...
serious. Like, you seriously can't hear for shit.
She's telling me something she thinks I don't already know.
Well, why don't you go get them checked?
Because
You're an adult and you got good insurance?
Yeah, even with good insurance, you know how much... what are they called are? You know how much hearing aids are?
Yeah.
With insurance? It's like $6,000.
I heard there are ear.
That's like the whole supercharger. Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, well, guess what?
Can we all just take a moment to appreciate that joke?
A supercharger is way more important than being able to hear. I'll tell you that.
For who? You or the rest of the world? Is that even a fair comparison? Because one's easier than the other?
Whoa, hold on. Which one are you saying is easier?
The Harley.
Why do you say that?
There's less wires and shit, and there's less pieces of a bracket. It just goes on a lot easier, in my opinion. I mean, unless you're Ryan that has to take the nacelle off 17 times like on Houdini. I mean,
Wait, what about what?
I think that one's actually going to be kind of with all the same covers and shit.
There
what do you
go.
say?
That one's gonna be tough because you got all that chrome hardware and.
Would you look at that? You got anything else, Ryan?
Give you a real wow factor.
Oh, real wow.
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 Okay, so can we just like pull the HR card and be like, we crossed the line, guys. Let's not do that one.
Well, not really, because we work with Lisa. So.
Well, we touched the line right there, bud.
Until then, see you later.